Netflix black screen easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the black screen on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to fix black screen on Netflix, it's very simple. First of all, if you're trying to launch Netflix or maybe use the application but you're not being able to do so because of the black screen issue, it's very simple to fix it. So first we are just going to go ahead and then long press the Netflix app icon here. Then just make sure to basically tap the I button to come to the app info page. After that, what you want to do is simply scroll down, go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data files. After you have done that, simply open up your Play Store or your App Store depending upon what is it that you're using. Search for Netflix, check if there is an update. If there is an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.